In this video, you'll learn how to make your Wix website stand out in Google search and AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini without coding. You'll see why some websites get rich search results, how JSON-LD Schema works behind the scenes, and the fastest way to implement it on Wix. If you want more visibility, more clicks, and better AI exposure, this video is for you. Have you ever Googled something and noticed some results instantly stand out? Star ratings, prices, number of reviews, and availability, while others are just plain blue links. That's not luck, that's strategy. And now, the same thing is happening in AI search. When you ask ChatGPT or Gemini about a product, a business, or a survey key, they don't guess. They pull trusted details, reviews, ratings, FAQs, prices, and key information from websites they clearly understand. And the websites they trust? They use clean, structured JSON-LD data. Those eye-catching results you see on Google and AI tools are powered by something most website owners ignore. Today, I'll show you how schema markup for Wix can help you get rich Google search results, improve click-through rates, and boost visibility in AI-powered search. Let's keep it simple. Schema markup is structured data that tells Google and AI tools exactly what your page is about. No guessing, no confusion, just clarity. For Wix websites, JSON-LD Schema helps search engines and AI systems clearly recognize important content types such as products, FAQs, reviews and ratings, services, articles, and local business information. This structured understanding is how Google determines whether a page qualifies for rich results. When schema is implemented correctly, Google can display rich results. AI tools can confidently reference your content, and users begin to trust your listing even before they click. It's the same website and the same content, but with better results. And yes, you can add schema markup manually. You can use a schema markup generator tool from TechnicalSEO. Choose your preferred schema type and fill in all the required details. Then copy the generated JSON code and open the Wix editor. It may take a moment to load. Then select the page where you want to add the schema. Click Basic SEO, followed by Advanced SEO, add a new markup. Enter the schema name, paste the generated JSON code into the custom code section, and apply it. It works, but it's time-consuming. You have to manually create the right schema for each page, repeat the process, and deal with errors like missing fields, invalid or duplicate schema, and broken markup after site changes. That's why there's a simpler option. You can install the JSON-LD Schema app directly from the Wix App Market with no coding, no guessing, and no technical setup required. Once installed, the app scans your entire Wix website, automatically detects missing JSON-LD, finds and fixes invalid or broken schema, and highlights issues instantly. It also lets you create reusable JSON-LD templates, apply schema across multiple pages in just a few clicks, and even track competitors' JSON-LD usage. Each fix improves clarity, and each improvement increases visibility. If you want to boost your Wix SEO with rich Google results and AI visibility powered by clean JSON-LD, install the JSON-LD Schema app today. Stop leaving clicks on the table. Your website should stand out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more JSON-LD Schema content.